Hi friends, in this lecture we will discuss about meteors. What is meant by meteors or meteorite? Meteorite. Okay, let us see. In previous lecture we have discussed about comet. Okay, how the tail of the comet is formed. That will that we have discussed in previous lecture. So in this lecture we will discuss about meteors. Okay, so let us see a meteor. Okay, a meteor, meteor. So at times we see a falling star. At times, at times we see a falling star. We see a falling star. तर पहा मित्रांनो, कधी कधी आपण आकाशामध्ये काय पाहतो? फॉलिंग स्टार. एखादा स्टार असतो तो तुटून पडल्यासारखा दिसतो. ठीक आहे, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? फॉलिंग स्टार, पडणारा तारा. ठीक आहे. तर दिस इव्हेंट इज कॉल्ड एज मेटेओर फॉल. ओके, दिस इव्हेंट. आणि याच इव्हेंटला आपण काय म्हणतो? दिस इव्हेंट इज कॉल्ड एज this event is called as meteor meteor fall. Okay, meteor fall. Mostly these meteors are rocky pieces. So let us see. Mostly these meteors, mostly, mostly these meteors are the rocky pieces are rocky rocky pieces originating originating from the asteroid belt, from the asteroid belt. Okay, so we know that where is the asteroid belt? Okay, in between two planets, that is Mars and Jupiter. Okay, in between these two planets there is a asteroid belt. And the rocky pieces म्हणजे काय? अ, म्हणजे खडकाळ तुकडे. ओके, किंवा दगडाचे आपण मोठे मोठे तुकडे म्हणतो त्याला रॉकी पीसेस. ओके, ओरिजिनेटिंग फ्रॉम ॲस्टेरॉइड बेल्ट आर मोस्टली मेटेओर्स. ओके, मेटेओरला आपण काय म्हणतो? उल्का. ओके, मेटेओर म्हणजे काय असतं? उल्का. ओके, स्मॉलर रॉकी पीसेस गेट completely burnt. Smaller smaller rocky pieces smaller rocky pieces smaller rocky pieces get completely burnt get completely burnt get completely burnt get completely burnt due to friction with air due to due to friction with air 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 after they enter the earth's atmosphere. After they enter after they enter the Earth's atmosphere. Okay, Earth's atmosphere. तर काय होते या ठिकाणी पहा, ज्यावेळेस ते मेटेरॉइड बेल्ट पासून रॉकी पीसेस ओरिजिनेट झालेले असतात, ते ज्यावेळेस अर्थच्या ॲटमॉस्फिअर मध्ये एंटर करतात, त्यावेळेस काय होतं, आपल्याला माहित आहे की अराउंड द अर्थ देर इज अ ॲटमॉस्फिअर. ओके, ॲटमॉस्फिअर मीन्स एअर इज प्रेझेंट. ओके, and when these meteors are enter into the atmosphere of the earth due to friction between, friction म्हणजे काय, घर्षण, friction between meteor and air, there is a lot of heat is generated, आणि त्या ठिकाणी खूप हीट जनरेट होते आणि त्यामुळे काय होतात, ते कम्प्लिटली बर्न होतात. ओके, जे स्मॉलर मेटेओर्स आहेत, स्मॉलर रॉकी पीसेस आहेत. ओके, these are called meteorites. Okay, these are called as these are called as meteorites. मेटेओराइट्स, मेटेओराइट्स म्हणजे काय, उल्कापिंड. ओके, आपण पाहतो की हे जे रॉकी पीसेस असतात, ते त्यांना काय होते, ते बर्न होतात, त्यांना आग लागते आणि ते येऊन स्ट्राईक करतात ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ. ओके, और they strike to the another celestial bodies, okay, which are present in the solar system, आणि त्यांनाच आपण काय म्हणतो, मेटेओराइट्स. ओके, तो मेटेओर म्हणजे काय, उल्का, मेटेओर. आणि मेटेओराइट्स म्हणजे काय, उल्कापिंड. ओके, ज्यावेळेस ते स्मॉलर रॉकी पीसेस they get completely burnt. Okay, then these meteorites are, they are called as meteorites. Okay, and तुम्हाला एक गोष्ट लक्षात ठेवावी लागेल या ठिकाणी, की हे जे मेटेओराइट्स असतात, ते कुठून ओरिजिनेट झालेले असतात, फ्रॉम द ॲस्टेरॉइड बेल्ट. ओके, फ्रॉम द ॲस्टेरॉइड बेल्ट, जो की मार्स आणि ज्युपिटर या दोन ग्रहांच्या मध्ये असतो. ठीक आहे, ॲस्टेरॉइड बेल्ट. ॲस्टेरॉइड म्हणजे काय, आपण पाहिलेलं आहे की ॲस्टेरॉइड म्हणजे काय, मायनर प्लॅनेट्स, मायनर प्लॅनेट, किंवा त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, लघुग्रह. ठीक आहे. So this is about meteor. Write down these things. Now let us see about meteor, some other things. Okay. So let us see. It is believed that the Lonar Lake in Maharashtra. So let us see. It is believed that it is believed that it is believed that the Lonar Lake in Maharashtra, the Lonar Lake in Maharashtra, the Lonar Lake in Maharashtra has been formed by the impact of such meteorite. Okay, has been formed, has been formed, has been formed formed by the impact of such meteorite, by the impact of such a impact of such a meteorite. Okay. तर या ठिकाणी पहा, हे जे लोणार लेक आहे, जे की कुठं आहे, इन महाराष्ट्र स्टेट. ओके, इन बुलढाणा डिस्ट्रिक्ट, लोणार लेक. ओके. So this Lonar Lake, which is in Maharashtra, has been formed by the impact of such meteorite. तर उल्कापिंड इम्पॅक्ट स्ट्राईक झाल्यामुळे त्या ठिकाणी ते लेक तयार झालेलं आहे. यू कॅन सी द इमेज ऑफ लोणार लेक by searching in Google. Okay, you can see the image. Okay. So meteors or meteorite falls occur on other celestial bodies too. Okay, meteors. So let us see meteors or meteorites, meteorites, meteorites falls occur on falls occur other on other celestial celestial bodies on other celestial bodies too. Okay, so remember these things. Okay, हे जे मेटेओर्स फॉल असतं ते दुसऱ्या खगोलीय वस्तूंवर पण होऊ शकतं. ठीक आहे, लाईक अदर प्लॅनेट्स. ओके, ह्यांच्यावरती पण हे उल्कापिंड स्ट्राईक करू शकतात. ठीक आहे, हे जे मेटेओराइट्स आहेत also strike on other planets. Okay, now about comet, let us see some things are there. Okay, in the past, in the past, let us see in the past, in the past, Fred Whipple, Fred Whipple, Fred Whipple, this is the name, an astronomer, American astronomer, Fred Whipple, which is an American American astronomer, American astronomer proposed that comets consist of proposed proposed that comets comets consist comets consist of an icy cluster consist of an icy icy cluster icy cluster of various constituents of various various constituents, icy cluster of various constituents. That is why comets came to be called. That is why. That is why comets came to, that is why comets came to be called, came to be called dirty snowballs. Okay, dirty snowballs, dirty snowballs. Okay, dirty snowballs. By 1950, people had discovered, by 1950, people, people had discovered, people had discovered six comets. Okay, so let us see. This is the Fred about Fred Whipple, which is uh, Fred Whipple, which is a name. Okay, Fred Whipple, and this Fred Whipple, who is an American astronomer, okay, proposed that comets consist of an icy cluster of various constituents. So let us see. Icy cluster of various various constituents. तर कन्स्टिट्युएंट म्हणजे काय? वेगवेगळे पदार्थ. ठीक आहे. तर वेगवेगळ्या पदार्थांचं एक आयसी क्लस्टर म्हणजे बर्फाळ मिश्रण. ओके, क्लस्टर. तर हे अशा पद्धतीचं काय असतं? कॉमेट. आणि त्याच्यामुळेच कॉमेटला काय म्हणलं जातं? डर्टी snowball. Remember this word, dirty snowball. Okay. तर बाय 1950 विपल हॅड डिस्कवर्ड सिक्स कॉमेट्स. तर ह्या विपलनी काय केलं? 1950 पर्यंत जवळपास सहा कॉमेट्स शोधून काढले. ठीक आहे, सिक्स कॉमेट्स. सो रिमेंबर दीज थिंग्स. So remember some things. Let us see. Always remember, science tries to explain different events. So सायन्स आपल्याला काय सांगतं की जे डिफरंट इव्हेंट्स घडतात युनिवर्समध्ये, ठीक आहे, त्याच्याबद्दल एक्सप्लेन करतं. जसं मेटेओर्स फॉल असेल किंवा इक्लिप्सेस असतील, जे ग्रहण असतं, सोलार इक्लिप्स, सूर्यग्रहण. ओके, त्यानंतर लुनार इक्लिप्स. दीज आर द इव्हेंट्स, ओके, occurred naturally. Okay, events occurring in the universe. Okay, but some peoples or uh, uh, consider these events as a blind faith. Okay, तर काही लोक यांना एक म्हणजे अंधश्रद्धेच्या दृष्टीने पाहतात. सो we should carefully remember that all these phenomenons, okay, all these events like eclipses, then meteor falls, okay. So all these events are natural events which are occurring in the universe. Okay, there is no another. There should no another what blind faith in these events. Okay, so you should remember that. Okay, so now let us discuss what we have learned in this chapter. Okay, what we have learned, that is summary. Okay, summary of the topic. So let us see, friends. This is very interesting topic actually. Okay, and in this topic we have studied different things. Uh, we have studied about different things and different phenomena here occurring in the universe. Okay, Firstly, in this topic, we have learned there are innumerable galaxies in the universe. Okay, our solar system. So, uh, first of all, in this chapter, we have discussed about definition of galaxy. Okay, what is the definition of galaxy? We have discussed that is the group of the group of innumerable stars. The group of innumerable stars. Group of innumerable innumerable stars. Innumerable stars and their planetary system and their planetary their planetary system is known as is known as galaxy. Okay, is known as galaxy. The name of our galaxy is Milky Way. Okay, that we have studied. Uh, our galaxy, our galaxy is Milky Way. The Milky Way and the galaxy which is closest to our galaxy Milky Way, that is Andromeda. Okay, closest 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 galaxy to our galaxy is Andromeda. Remember these names. Andromeda. ओके, अँड्रोमेडा. सर्वात जवळची गॅलेक्सी आपल्या गॅलेक्सीच्या कोणती असणार आहे? अँड्रोमेडा. त्यानंतर आपण पाहिलं आवर सोलार सिस्टीम व्हेरियस स्टार क्लस्टर्स आर पार्ट ऑफ मिल्की वे. ओके, तर मिल्की वेची जी पार्ट असणार आहे ते कोण कोण असणार आहे? ठीक आहे. आवर सोलार सिस्टीम म्हणजे आपली जी सोलार सिस्टीम आहे, आवर सोलार सिस्टीम, देन देन various star clusters, various various star clusters, various star clusters are part of are part of our Milky Way. जी आपली आकाशगंगा आहे मिल्की वे. ओके, ठीक है. Various types of stars like sun can be seen in the Milky Way. Okay, then we have discussed various various types of stars can be seen can be seen in the Milky Way. Okay, in the Milky Way, in the Milky Way. Okay, write down these things. Then we have discussed about types of galaxies. Okay, there are different types of galaxies we have discussed based on the shape of galaxy. Okay, these galaxies are these types of galaxies are, let us see. We have discussed different types of galaxies. We have discussed different different types of galaxies, such as First is spiral galaxy. Then we have discussed that is bad spiral galaxy. Okay. Then third one is elliptical galaxy, elliptical galaxy, and fourth is irregular galaxy. Okay. So all these types we have discussed. Irregular galaxy, irregular galaxy. Okay. Then we have discussed about star. Okay, that is sun, star. So we know that stars are the luminous object. Okay, which has their own light. Okay. Then we have discussed about different planets in the solar system, different different planets, different planets in the solar system, in the solar different planets in the solar system have peculiar characteristics, have special characteristics, have peculiar characteristics. Okay, peculiar characteristics. Then we have discussed about some planets have satellites, whereas others do not have any. Okay, some planets some planets have satellites like Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These planets have satellites, but others like Mercury, Venus have no satellites. Okay, have no satellites. Then we have discussed about each planet in detail. Okay. Then lastly we have discussed about satellites, satellites. Then asteroids, asteroids. Then we have discussed about dwarf, dwarf planet, dwarf planet. Okay. Then lastly, we have discussed about comet. Okay. So all these are the celestial bodies in the solar system. So this is the chapter, the universe. Okay. So this much of the syllabus we have discussed in this topic. Okay. And actually, this is very interesting. You can see the images of uh, each planet, sun, comet, asteroids, okay, meteors on uh, by searching on Google, okay, you can see the images as well as you can see the image of lunar lake in Maharashtra, which is um, created due to the meteor fall, okay. So you can see all these images, and by seeing images, you can understand about all these planets and about solar system in very well manner. Okay, so keep studying, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in doubt session also. Okay, and uh, on the basis on this chapter there are two assignments. Okay, and we will solve these two assignments. Okay, assignment 1 and assignment 2. Okay, on the one assignment is on the up portion of the syllabus of this topic, and second assignment will on the remaining portion or syllabus of this topic. Okay, So hope you understand all these things in very well manner. Okay, friends, keep studying. Thank you.